Former Kenya rugby coach and legend Benjamin Ayimba is fighting for his life in a city hospital. Arguably Kenya's best ever rugby sevens coach, he has been battling cerebral malaria, which has kept him away from the public eye since the beginning of the year, according to the family. The family of the former sevens coach and captain told KTN News that the hospital has demanded that they settle a 2.2 million shillings bail before he's moved to Kenyatta National Hospital for further specialized treatment. Ayimba represented Kenya at Rugby Sevens World Cup in 2001 as well as in 2005. And we wish him a quick recovery. Now, players drawn from different sports disciplines have begun receiving their first AstraZeneca vaccines. The exercise driven by the Ministry of Sports is targeting over 3,000 players in the country, with the Olympic-bound players set to benefit from the vaccination drive as they prepare for Tokyo, Japan trip.
600 vaccinated. Tomorrow about 500. On Monday we'll have another group of athletes coming through to be vaccinated as well. We're hoping that by middle of next week we'll take stock and see how many of our athletes we have, sportsmen, sportswomen we have vaccinated. They know that there could be some reaction, like you could have a headache, you could have joint pains and things like that. They've been told, they're actually taught what needs to be done if they experience any discomfort.
I think vaccine hasa sisi wanariadha itatusaidia wakati tuna travel kwenda nchi za ng'ambo. Tunasikia hiyo kitu inatakikana umekuwa vaccinated.
Kivyangu ukipata jab kama hii itakusaidia, utaweza kutravel countries mingi juu sahi restrictions mingi za countries kama kwenda Olympics mpaka huko umedungwa jab. So at least itatusaidia na tutaweza kuparticipate kwa event mingi za dunia.
And for viewers on KTN Home,